So I don't really get much footage of this thing running. Actually, I don't think I have any footage of this thing running. This is my 1947 Singer sewing machine, and it does work. It's a little bit dirty. It's been sitting as a mantelpiece for about 3 years, so you can imagine that yeah, it needs a little bit of TLC, but it is fully functional. We get a bit dirty, and it kind of stinks. But here we go. Left the sides open so you can see the action. That camera will focus up here. There we go. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there is some smoke coming out of the motor. It's dirty, to be expected. I've doused this thing in chainsaw oil, and that's why it smokes, because it's basically to keep it from getting rusted. Get it to focus in. That's it.